Hello everyone, my name is Lee and welcome back to my channel. Today is technically the first official Scrappy Wednesday, so happy Scrappy Wednesday! Today's craft is going to be a shadow box, gothic looking thing. I'm not really sure what to call it, like some wall art piece that looks like gothic. This was for my friend Marley's bridal shower present because I'm broke and I can't afford most things right now, so I was like, you know what, I can't just show up with nothing, so I'm going to make her something so I can actually afford it. The original idea for this actually came from a shadow box that we saw at the antique mall a couple months back, and I was originally gonna buy that for her because she did say that she liked it and showed interest in it. But then I looked at the price tag and it was like over $200 and I was like, I am not spending $200 on a real animal skull, because that was my only assumption. Like, I didn't know for sure if it was a real animal skull, but I assumed, like, why else would it be $200? I'm not buying that. I'm gonna try to recreate my own version. So I went to Michael's to try to see if they had any of skulls that are similar to the one at the antique mall. But unfortunately, even though they had all their Halloween stuff, all of it was like full-bodied animal skulls and human skulls, and I'm like, that's not gonna work for what I want to do. So I ended up going to the Christmas section and they had some cute little antlers there, and surprisingly they really worked with the theme that I was going for. So I got that and some extra fall flowers from there that were also on sale, and the shadow box was also there, so I ended up doing two this is four. I ended up doing two transactions so that I could actually use two of the 50% off coupons because they're really stickler there for some reason. So you really have to go around their rules to be able to save as much as you can. So with all those pieces together, I had a vision of what I wanted to recreate. Also, pro tip, when you go to get a shadow box from Michael's, already have the idea of what you want to do in your head and what supplies you're gonna need, because all of the shadow boxes have their things completely sealed. And unless you have a measuring tape with you, you can't test if what you want to put in there is actually going to fit. Because I was dumb and I didn't bring a measuring tape. Remember measuring tape. So with that being said, we'll get right into the tutorial.
Work all night and I drink the rum. Stack banana till the morning come. Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana.
What are your qualifications?
Well, I attended Juilliard. I'm a graduate of Harvard Business School. I travel quite extensively. I lived through the Black Plague and I had a pretty good time during that. I've seen The Exorcist about 167 times, and it keeps getting funnier every single time I see it. Not to mention the fact that you're talking to a dead guy. Now what do you think?
This can you be scary?
My girl's name is Sonora. I tell you friends I adore her. And when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. My girl's name is Sonora. I tell you friends I adore her. And when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. What? Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. What? Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. What? Shake, 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 Sonora, shake it all the time. Shake, shake, shake.
my mini tutorial slash speed through. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to make your own, I would love to see it. Just make sure you tag me at Meraki_memories on Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys next Scrappy Wednesday. Bye!